Good afternoon, guys. So we are going to do an unboxing. So right now we are going to unbox the new Meta Rayban. Ito na bagong-bago. Okay. Tadaan! Unbox talaga. Okay. New Meta. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's remove the box. So new Wayfarer. So yun na. Let's go. So Meta or Rayban. Meta Wayfarer. So please, so glasses, charging case, cleaning cloth, lunite, so I don't know what that is. I don't know how to pronounce. Yutui, the recharge. Chiffon de, no, I don't know. So yun. Okay. So, open. Start. Listen, call, live stream. Ooh. Nice. It's also, well, I thought, sorry, it's not magnetic, but the phone case is quite solid. Okay, so here's our Rayban. Nice. This one looks like, oh, let's remove. Same like an iPad, earbuds or iPad. That's it. Then, as you can see, mga controls. Oh. Then we'll take this out for a space. So additional, including the box, cleaning cloth, and then I think this one is the charger. Oh no, sorry. This one is the manual. And of course, we're gonna study this one first, okay? Okay, guys. So this is the Meta new look. So same lang halos ng salamin ko. Explore ko muna siya, then I'll get the feedback for your review. So ito yung yan. So A, B, C, D, E. Yep. This is the case. Type-C charging. I think fully charged for 70%. And then this thing is the inside of the Rayban Meta. Nothing special about Type-C. Okay? Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's stop.